everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing these tablets, but let's go and get right into this. So these tablets do come with a charger, and it also comes with these straps so that you can hold it around just like this. This is what it looks like without it. And they've had them for a few weeks now. They love them. What do you guys think? You guys like them a lot?
Yeah.
So you can play games, and I'll throw a clip on everything that it has right now. So this is what the home screen looks like on these tablets. You can see you have all these different games and stuff that you can download. It also has YouTube. It has Google Chrome. You can go right there. And you can also do videos and pictures. So you can see if you go up, it'll have all the different apps and stuff that you have, which is a lot. So that's everything that, like, all the different apps that it comes with. So they're really nice to take on trips and stuff like that, just to keep them entertained when they say it's boring. So on the back of it, it does come with this right here so that you can set it up when watching a movie. So you can set it like this. They like to set it up like when they're on the couch or something. It also does have a front camera right there and a back camera. So these are pretty cool and really great gift ideas. Would you guys be happy getting those as gifts?
Yeah. Cross the road.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.